Hey YouTubers, this is Eric from RC Monster Garage MotoStyles Hobby Shop. What we got here today, it is the Red Kit Racing Blackout Short Course Truck 110 scale brushed electric. The reason that I'm showing brushed electric because this is a more beginner vehicle, four-wheel drive, equipped with a battery, charger, everything. It's ready to go. The only thing that you might gonna need going to be 4 AA battery for your remote. And let's real quick go and look what we got inside of this vehicle. This vehicle is pretty awesome. It's a little bit smaller than the Red Kit Racing Caldera short course truck that we show in the previous videos. And this is what you expect to see underneath. You're gonna have here your battery. It's already equipped with a nickel metal hydride battery. You have a brushed motor that already comes with these cooling ribs. Again, the cooling ribs help to extend the life of the motor. Brushed ESC. You got the receiver from Red Kit Racing. You have also the remote transmitter and receiver. It's a four-wheel drive. Right here through the hole you can see the metal drive shaft going front to back of the vehicle to make it into a four-wheel drive. Very cool vehicle. And let's go over why it's such a cool vehicle. Let's start with the shocks. You have very cool shock system on it that again it's a coilover shock. So if you compare it to other vehicles that the same category, again I usually like to go to the Traxxas Slash to comparison. This is a better purchase. This is coilover shocks, not the cheap shocks that you get with the Traxxas Slash. Also those arms, those top A arms and the bottom A arms, those are pretty cool because what Red Kit did is the same part on the front can go to the back left and right. It's exactly the same part. This one, this one, this one, and that one. It's exactly the same part. You're just gonna flip them front and back. The same with the top parts. So when you purchase the bag and it has 2 parts in it, it can go all around the car and it saves you a lot of money. And you don't have to have a big box full with so many parts whenever you crash. So it's I think it's a very good idea for this vehicle. Now run wise, you're gonna get around about 12 to 17 minutes depending how fast you go because it's just nickel metal hydride batteries. If you look on the back, they even go the extra mile and put over here those small mud guards. It's pretty cool, not really effective for anything, but it's pretty cool that it's here like the regular vehicle. I think that if you're looking for something for a gift, this vehicle is pretty good. Later on you can just change the motor and ESC to brushless and you're gonna have a very fast vehicle. It's have a nice bumper on the front, able to absorb a lot of impact. Overall it's a very solid platform. If you want to see the back of it, it's a pretty solid clean bottom on it. All you need to do, again, charge the battery and go. And again, this is the Red Kit Racing Blackout SC. SC standing for short course. Excellent beginner vehicle, available at MotoStyles RC Monster Garage. Highly recommended. Now before I forget, let's just turn it real quick and look right here. Red Kit put over here a very good servo saver, so when you move or get any kind of impact, those 2 springs are separating, preventing you from breaking your servo easily. It's a very good feature because along the way it's going to prevent you from breaking the servo and needed to spend money on it. Features like this, it's what make Red Kit Racing a very good company, and this is why I like them. When you get something like this, you just save about between $15 to $35 replacing a servo in the case that you crash. So this is a very good feature. Now available. Again, this is how it's look with a body on top. Of course you can get different style bodies for this. Very cool vehicle. Now available at MotoStyles RC Monster Garage. Please like and subscribe so we can make more videos for you. Thank you.